afternoon. It is like 1 o'clock. What time is it? It is, excuse me, it's 2:27. Good afternoon. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome back. And yeah, I was chilling in bed and I started watching YouTube, and I started seeing like moving videos and decorate with me videos. So I was like, well, let me just go. And it's Sunday, February the 8th or the 9th. So I was like, well, let me just run to Lowe's and grab me a piece of wood so that I can finish my little TV setup, because it's on the dresser but it's hanging off. I tried to adjust the stands or the feet of the TV, but it won't allow me to adjust it. So I'm gonna just get like a piece of wood to put underneath there, because that's where I wanted to stay, because I have my long dresser here in front of my bed. I think I like it better this way, where I have dresser space to just do my girly things. I have on the same sweater that I had on in the previous video when I was DIYing or putting up my pictures on the walls. They came out pretty cute. And I just got on these like loose fitting trousers because that's how I feel. I just want to be comfortable. And I threw on this hat that says Faith. And I have like a liner in my hat. I need to fix it because I don't want anybody to see it, so I don't get forehead bumps. And like I said, I'm gonna take these off of my eyes probably when I get to where I'm going. This jacket is a little worn out now. But yeah, that is what I am wearing, and I'm about to go to the store. And I will see y'all at Lowe's. Yeah, let's get into it. I seen the big pink buckets. I didn't see the little ones. They probably all gone. Lowe's is big today. Everybody at Lowe's today. Alright, let me remember what I came in for. Let's see. Try not to sway y'all around too much. The last time I was watching, y'all was just shaking from side to side to side. The water, it is the Lord's house. So I think I'm gonna go with $27. I'm getting it. I think it's basically just going up underneath, kind of this one right here. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have one of these cut?
What's that?
Can I have one of these boards cut?
Sure, bring it over, sell it.
Okay.
What do you want to cut out? I'll put exactly whatever you want. Want it just a little over?
Yeah.
Like 30, an inch over?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I got my board, y'all. Quick and easy. Now I gotta find a pink bucket. I am determined to get a pink bucket. I got this one, y'all. A mini for $2.28. We got this one. And the switch is hot.
I gotta go check this full box real quick, but I'll run back.
Okay, so I made it back home, y'all. And let's see if the idea that I had in my head comes to light. So, again, just gonna do this alone. What am I trying to think? Okay, so this is disconnected. My sound bar. Don't laugh. Now, I already got some rigged up underneath here. Some wood that I got from Lowe's previously. So I'm just gonna get rid of those. Now he cut one, y'all heard it, y'all saw it. One for 3 feet and one for, and then the rest. So I'm gonna use this one. I don't know which one is the 3 feet and which one is just the remaining part of the wood. But I'm gonna use that one. And let's see if it's wide enough. See if it's wide enough. I don't know. But the TV cut off because the button at the bottom. So let's put this up here underneath my little fur gadget. And I'm always DIYing something. Because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just DIY it. But yeah, there's that. Let me make sure y'all still recording. And then here we go. Let's see if this, it worked. Oh shoot. It worked. So I'm able to sit the TV on its legs, on this dresser. It worked, it worked, it worked. Without it leaning too far to the front, to the back, or without it sitting on its belly and turning on and off. So yeah. I'm always coming up with something. Let me fix this. Make sure it don't fall off. And then I can cover it up with my little Furby. And yeah. Y'all don't really need a full apartment tour because y'all basically already seen like parts of my apartment as I record in each room. But I might just do like a apartment tour. What's those videos called? I can't think of the name right now. Make sure it's easy. Okay, period. She's ready. Okay. Yay. Love that for me. So yeah. So my TV is too long for the dresser, right? So I just got a piece of board to put on the dresser so that it can sit upright without leaning. And the power button is underneath it. So without turning the TV on and off, because I have this long dresser here behind my door now, and I put this wide dresser here on this wall in front of my bed. So yeah, I just thought I'd go and grab a piece of wood because it's a nice day outside. It's like 60 something degrees, and I'm not gonna spend too much time outside. I'll probably do like a little workout in the house, but other than that, I'll see y'all next time I pick this camera up. Good morning, y'all. So it's a week later. It's Sunday, February the 15th. Happy Valentine's Day if y'all celebrate Valentine's Day. But I have still been feeling under the weather. But I decided to get up today and just get out of the house because I need to go to Bath and Body Works as well to grab my pickup order. I only ordered 2 little things with my coupons that I had that expired today. So I did that. And I'm about to go see my dad. And that's it. And then I'll come back home. I just want to show y'all my Valentine's flowers that my son got me. Hold on. Okay, so here are my beautifully arranged flowers from the kiddo. Some yellow roses, these little purple flowers, some baby's breath. And then it came in this cute little vase with the yellow ribbon. And then he also brought a Valentine's Day balloon. These are really pretty. This bouquet is huge, y'all. It's huge. But yeah, that was the gift from the kid. I did not do nothing on Valentine's Day because I didn't have nothing planned. I wasn't planning on doing nothing. But yeah, let's see. And I still got this tree up, y'all. I gotta take it down since yesterday was Valentine's Day. And I was leaving it up for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna take it down probably today too. I'll make that a task. All right, so quick OOTD, y'all. I got on this outfit, this spider sweatsuit. And then I just got on some Vomeros because I wanted to wear tennis shoes today. But I didn't really know which ones I wanted to wear. Obviously there's so many colors in this sweatsuit: pink, black, white, blue, yellow. So I just stuck with the white ones because they're comfortable. I haven't worn these in a while, and yesterday was Valentine's Day, so I just thought I'd wear this pink outfit. And then I switched from my LV bum bag to my Coach, can't remember the name of it, to my Coach bag with my hand sanitizer and my little boo-boo dupe that I found at Burlington's, y'all. And yeah, that's the outfit of today. We're about to head out, and I will see y'all when I pick the camera up again. Okay, so change of plans, y'all. Alexa said it's 73 degrees and the high gonna be 79, and I don't want to burn up today. So this is the outfit. A little cute little striped onesie that I got from probably Shein, my Target slides, and keeping the purse. And I just added my glasses. It's cute and girly. All right, let's go. We got Dunkin', y'all. We got 7 brew. I got a matcha, and Brett got an iced latte. We're just grabbing some food from Dunkin', and then we're about to get some gas and jump on this road. This is a candle holder. If I can smell it. I can't smell nothing. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks for coming in.
Smell this. I was gonna get you this one, but in the body spray.
Thank you.
smell.
Yeah, I can't smell it. Well, let's go.
Yes.
What you see? What you see? I think this women's. This side. The other side is for men. They go to red one right there for men. That's what you wanted? Those red ones?
I want like a red set. But no, I want it like a grayish.
A red set.
I don't got nothing red. I don't know where they at there.
What?
It's like,
Gray?
it's not that color gray.
That's green. Where you going? I don't know if they even have a fitting room in here. I don't think they have a fitting room in here. Don't you got like a black Adidas shirt? You got that white one with the gray on it. You got a, did I get you two Adidas shirt or a New Balance and an Adidas shirt? Okay, so you got a shirt that's for you. Yeah, we got our goods. And I've been swindled with Adidas pants.
I'm gonna come back.
He don't even wear the Adidas shirts that I bought him. But he got some Adidas pants.
Because they
So we're gonna leave here. I'm going home so I can take this Christmas tree down and start making my dinner. So we'll see y'all at the house. We just got home, y'all. We just got home. Yeah. I don't want to take my tree down. Look how cute it is. Oh my God, I'm gonna miss my tree. Anyways, Brett said he's gonna take the tree down and I'm gonna do the dishes. Sorry, y'all. I got the TV in the background. But yeah, I don't want to take my tree down. Look how cute it is. But it gotta go. It gotta go. It's February the 15th. And we gotta move it out the way. Or whatever. But, I think I want to move my living room around too. Because, like, I have it like this because it's, like, really cozy. So when you walk in the front door, I have, like, the living room section over here. And this side over here. I think I want to push this chair against the wall. I only got one couch. I did want a sectional, but I got this one because I didn't know if I want to do, like, accent pieces. But when I rearranged the living room to look like this, the accent pieces wouldn't really fit. It would be crowded. And it's only me and Brett here too. But when I move the chair up against the wall, then it gives it like a whole bunch more space to fit like another couch or whatnot. I won't be doing that. So anyways, what I was getting to is that if I was to move the couch up against the wall, then I would have to like fold up my workout equipment and stash it away, and then it wouldn't be easily accessible. So when I have like my urges to just work out in the house, I just hop right on it. I don't have to pull it out or nothing like that, because if I had to probably pull it out, I probably wouldn't want to work out. So I'm gonna probably do that too. I'm gonna probably rearrange the room because it's been like this for a long time now, because I like it like this. So we'll see if I'm gonna put the TV back over here, because if I put the TV back over here, I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put this picture. Probably not leave it where it is, but it'll give me like a lot more space in here. So yeah, let's go. Close the leaves down. The leaves, the stems. I take down.
All down the aisle.
That's something you should. Okay, y'all, let's do a quick little unpackaging. So all I got was Kitchen Lemon Hand Soap Moisturizer. And I got the Vibrant Jasmine little travel spray. And I got a car fragrance with my coupons. $3 free, $4 because I ordered it and I did not want to purchase it in the store. And they wouldn't let me get my free jasmine without making a purchase. So I did that. But yeah, that's what we got from Bath and Body Works. And I got some more stuff that just came in too from Walmart. Just some toiletries. So I'll probably unbox those with y'all too. Alright y'all, so we got the Christmas tree put up. I did the dishes. I'm about to start cooking my dinner. But while I'm doing that, I'm about to move this living room around, and I'll just show y'all what it looked like. Hey y'all, happy Monday. Today is Monday, February the 16th. And yesterday after we came back from seeing my dad, y'all saw us stop by Taker Outlet and grab a couple of things. And then we got back home. We put away the Christmas tree, which had our Valentine's Day decorations on it, and cleaned up a little bit. So y'all also saw us rearranging the front room. Now, I did not get to show y'all the finished product because after I got done cooking, I took a shower, ate, and went to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into showing y'all the finished product now. And we'll probably do an unboxing as well in this video. And I'll go ahead and close out the vlog for this week since it has kind of been all over the place. However, we getting it done. So yeah, let's get into this video of our living room, which y'all can see some of it behind me. So let's go ahead and get into the full thing. Okay, so I have my back against the front door. So as soon as you walk in the front door, there is the shoe stand, the mail holder, the linen closet. Then I moved this lamp over here, over against the wall where the workout equipment was, and the tree. And then I also have the TV here with the TV stand. The TV stand was against the wall to the right of me. Okay, so there is the front door, and y'all know I had the workout equipment here to the right with the Christmas tree in the mirror. So I put away the Christmas tree and I moved the workout equipment to put this TV stand here, the TV. And then I put the mirror to the right of it, and then I put my vase with my pumpkins here to the right of the mirror. And then I also put my light here, my lamp up here as well, and I just left the painting there on the wall because it's not really interfering with the TV. And then I took the workout equipment from over here. Like I was saying, I need it to be easily accessible so that I can just start working out. So I just put it here by the door, and then the cycling system there as well. So here is the couch and the rug with the coffee table and my side table. Yeah, I remember the couch was horizontal to the front door, and I just put it up against the wall here so that I have this more open space instead of having the couch here vertically and not having this open space right here. Don't mind my rug. It's time to get a new one or cover it up. So I still have the pictures here on the wall. I left the palm tree plant here as well. So before the TV stand was here with the TV on it, the lamp was there, and then y'all know the couch was here and the coffee table was there. So I just turned it and put it over there and put the TV here. I'm trying to get like a better angle of it so y'all can see. So yeah, a lot more space to work with. And then I also still have the cycler rolled up, and I just have to unfold it when I get on, like I was doing before when it was on the other side. And then the treadmill is still open. I can close it and just stick it under the couch or in the closet, but I like to have it out so that I can use it whenever I need to. Yeah, and I just put the basketball stuff here that Brett grabs when he goes outside to play basketball. And here's our packages that we're about to unbox. I know what type of rug I want to get. I don't even want to get rid of this one because it's not even a big deal. But there's a rug that I want to put on top of here. I want one of those like cow rugs. So these little dirt marks, it don't even matter because I want to put a cow rug just right on top of there to cover it up. And then y'all know I had my throw blanket on the back of the couch. So I just threw it right there so you could see it, and my other throw blanket there. And that is pretty much it. I just moved it from this side to the other. Now for me, because I've had it set up the other way for so long, this new space, it just feels new to me. That way, it's more spacious. It feels like a new space. So I'm liking it for now. This space is spacious. And then I'll probably end up moving it back because the other way I had it was cozier, if that makes sense. So this is giving me like space. I feel free. I can roam around and do stuff. But when I had it like closed off, it felt cozy. So I don't know. I might put it back like that soon, but probably not until later because I had it like that for a good amount of time. So yeah, that's the space, and let's get into this unboxing. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's me. I was just sitting here, y'all, and I'm like, oh girl, oh this girl. But even when, like right now, I'm a little inflamed. Okay, y'all here, I can, girl, congested all the time. Help, somebody say help. But even when like I am like at like my goal weight, I still have like a little double chin. I think that's just genetics. Because even when like my face is like extra slim, it's still a little. So I probably have to get like cosmetic surgery if I wanted to, if that was like an issue. But anyways, I don't even remember what I ordered. It's nothing to even be shared with y'all, but I'm gonna share it anyway. So let's this is from Wally World. Just stocking up on some self-care products, essentials, toiletries, healthcare products, whatnot. And I can get this box open. So we got some floss sticks and grid. Now these floss sticks say it was made with recycled plastic. I'm sure a lot of stuff in this world is made with recycled plastic. And I was like, oh, do I really want that in my mouth? But it's pink. It's pink, so why not? You know, we love it. It's pink. So I got that. And what else? Oh, I did not know this was this big. I usually get the Q-tips that are for babies. If you can see, it's like small, but it's big, so you don't stick it too far in your ear. Although they say Q-tips are not even made for your ear, then why would they make it like this for babies so you don't overstick it in the ear? Somebody has some explaining to do. But I didn't know this box was this big. That's great because, like I told y'all before in my Christmas video, like my ear has been itching. It stopped like a couple days ago. And I should probably go to urgent care. I probably should, but I just don't want to. So we got these. And let's see what else we got. The Wally World. This is just the last two packages that I got from there. This is, oh, we got tongue scrapers. I got the, what is this? Stainless steel. They had plastic ones that came in like a pack, like the floss sticks. It came with like 6 or 10. And I was like, did I want those? Just use it and throw it away? Or did I just get the stainless steel ones and use it and put it up? So I got the stainless steel ones, and we're going to see if these make a difference in our oral health. So yeah, we ordered, I ordered some stuff from CVS with Brett over-the-counter benefits, health insurance. I just grabbed some toothbrushes because they only give me a couple of dollars. So I grabbed some toothbrushes and I just went to the store and grabbed toothbrushes too. I must have forgot I ordered those. And I just got some multivitamins for Brett because he's running out of his multivitamins. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank y'all for tuning in to this vlog. If you've watched it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to have you here, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.